Hello and welcome back to our channel. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to our channel already. Today we'll be learning how to add fingerprints to iPhone. It is simple step. First of all, go to your settings and then there find Touch ID and password. Tap on it and then it will ask you to enter your passcode. After entering the passcode, you can see these options. Tap on add fingerprint and then place your finger on the home button for scanning. And do remember, do not press the button. You just have to place a finger over the home button and it will start scanning. There you can see the sample of fingerprint. As soon as you place your fingerprint, it will start filling up and then it will stop within a second. If you see it stopping, you have to lift your finger and again place the finger over the home button. Do it until the fingerprint sample is completely filled up. And then you can see completed. After seeing completed, tap on continue and then you can see a new fingerprint, that is fingerprint 1. That means you have successfully added a fingerprint. Now you can do the same to add another fingerprint, and that is all. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know if you face any problems on the comment section below. Also hit the like button if the video helped you and do subscribe for similar contents.